Welcome to another video. So this is going to be a quick video, and what we're going to be doing is replacing it's just actually a plastic cover. As you can see, this one's got cracks in it. So this is a FO2. It's a BMW 750 Li. But a lot of these shifters are the same, and a lot of people say, I wonder why it cracked, I wonder why it cracked. But I actually think it's because when you push back to put it in reverse, you're putting pressure on it. And after so many times, sun shining on it, as you can see, and so on. So it's a fairly simple thing to do. We have here our new one, and it just sticks on there. As you can see, there's tape here. And you order this, you can find them on eBay, Amazon, and they give you these plastic tools also. And then I got a little jeweler's screwdriver too, flat screwdriver. So this just pops off of here. And what we're going to do is, first thing we're going to do is we're going to stick some tape like this on here, because we don't want to scratch up the outside part. Okay. Then we're going to take a razor knife and we're going to go around the outside of it. Okay, did that do it? And then peel it off. There's the other one. So then we got a nice clean thing. And I'm going to start with the metal one. So the plastic works, but a lot of times the plastic just breaks. So we're going to pry up on it a little bit. Just get under there, a little bit of force, and get it started. Okay, this is going to take two hands, I think. So let me put it on hold for a second, and then we'll pick it back up. Okay, so this one was a lot harder. I ended up using a punch, whatever you want to call it, scriber thing, to pry a little bit, and then I got this plastic thing in there. So once you get the plastic piece in there, then you can pry up on it and just work at it, and it will come off. Okay, so there it is, it's off. So, I mean, if anything sticks or anything like that, you need to clean it up some. But, again, this is going to take two hands, and I'll show you in a second what the results are. But we just pull the tape off, stick it back on there like it goes, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so like I should have mentioned, pull the tape off of there first. You don't want to get any tape caught underneath of it. But if you look at them, I don't know if you can actually make out there, it looks a lot more white. The other one looks yellowed. The old one looks yellowed. You really don't notice it until you put something new in there, but looks brand new. And they give you a little M thing on there. Now this actually is a M750, so I got the paddle shifts and everything like that. So that goes with it, but the original one did not have M on it. Anyway, I hope this helps you out. Be sure to subscribe. We got tons of videos on BMWs, different years, models. Got a lot on Dodge trucks and some other things too. So thank you for watching, and you have a pleasant day.